Hello, bonjour, YouTubers. In this video, we are here with the Zorin OS 15.1. I have already installed this OS on my virtual machine, and we are going to do a quick review on this OS. If you're new to the Zorin OS, then I'll tell you that this Zorin OS is based on Ubuntu LTS 18.04, which is the current LTS version of Ubuntu. Now, Zorin OS has recently gained its popularity because it is also one of the most good looking, one of the most beautiful Linux distro available in the whole segment. If you are new to the Linux operating system, then this might be a good option for you. So after installing, uh, you can see this, like, this is looking really very gorgeous. And Zorin OS, just go to the web browser and see some information on the Zorin OS 15.1 and what are the latest updates. Now Zorin OS comes in various versions also. So for example, if you want, you can buy a pro version. For that you need to pay some price, and if you do not want to buy the pro version, then you can buy the normal version, which is desktop version. And actually the difference between the pro version and desktop version is not that much. Pro version comes with some apps which are pre-installed, and the normal version do not comes with those app. But obviously this is Linux, and you are free to install the open source software, so you can definitely install any software in this. Now in my virtual machine it is running quite slow because I've only assigned 2 to 3 processor for this OS, so it will not work like that fast. Now I have already installed the Zorin OS, so if you want to see the installation process, or if you want to just refer the installation process, it's quite easy. You can check another YouTube videos also, or you can check my last video which I did on elementary OS 5.1. In that I showed the installation process for that operating system, and both of them have the same kind of installation process. Now the Firefox is running quite fast, and here you can see you have a notification panel. Here you will get notifications. You can go for do not disturb option. This is also based on the GTK toolkit like GNOME and other OS. And you can see here, now you can see that, see what's new. Here we are on the page, and also I forgot to tell you that if you install the pro version of the Zorin OS, then it also comes with some games which are pre-installed. Obviously you can install those games afterwards. Now we have, like, if you are familiar, if you have already used Linux distros, then you might be familiar with the KD Connect or the GS Connect applications, which what they do is that they integrate your Android system, so you can control your OS. You can have a wireless mouse on your phone, you can type, you can give remote input to your operating system. So Zorin also has its own app for that, which is Zorin Connect, and this they have updated this app also. And for you have better connectivity and performance in LibreOffice, so they have the new version of LibreOffice, which is 6.3 installed. It is already installed in the Zorin, so we have not checked the office also. We will just go and check it. Zorin OS has also built some kind of profile in which is known as game mode, so you will be having a faster performance in the game mode. You have more customization option in Zorin appearance. We'll just check it in the settings option, and they've also included a new font in the operating system and update system technologies. Many of the built-in system technology have been improved for better security. So, and this is based on Linux kernel, so it is quite secure and stable operating system. And if you go for the download Zorin option, then it has one of the option is the unleash your computer. This is the pro version of Zorin OS. It has over 20 games, and if you want a free version, you can go downward and you can install the Zorin 5.15.1 core and I'm also running the Zorin 15.1 core core version. And if you have an old computer, then you can also go for the Zorin 15.1 Lite. It is having the XFCE desktop environment, which will run more faster than the normal desktop environment which you get with the Zorin core version. Now we'll just minimize this Firefox, and we have the settings panel. This is the same as we get with the GNOME version. So here we have Zorin 15.1. We have the virtualization Oracle, and we can set date and time. It's just the same as we get with the GNOME version. We have Bluetooth appearance. We can change the appearance of the system. We can change the background also. So yeah, I should be going with the installation of update. So I'll go to the terminal window. Let's just type terminal, and I'll go to the terminal window and update my system. Meanwhile, the system is updating and the all the packages are in upgrading. We'll go and look the Zorin OS, how does it looks like. And under the we have a good system menu, so it is very much organized, like if you're familiar with the cinnamon desktop environment or KD or XFCE, then all of them looks like similar. So you need to just you need to click on this, and you have calculator, all the necessary applications. You have the maps application files. Let's just go and see how does the file manager looks. And this is they have a custom theme applied on the GNOME file manager. So basically it's the same as the GNOME file manager, but with a custom theme. And this is looking very nice. All obviously you can just tweak and change the theme also. So I'll go to the game section. Let's see what games do we have. Okay, we don't have any games, but we have the rhythm box audio player, and we have the videos player also. And then I'll go just backwards and see graphics. We have the GIMP. Okay, GIMP already is installed in this system, and as LibreOffice is installed, so you can see the LibreOffice Draw application. We have Shortwell, Simple Scan, and Document Viewer also. And then we'll go to Internet, and we have the Firefox option already installed. Firefox. Under Office, we have the LibreOffice installed. We have Contacts application and Evolution for connecting our mails. And the sound and video, we have the same thing. System tools. Now here we have the option for configuring the Zorin uh, appearance. We also have the Zorin Connect, so you can go and install, you can connect your Android smartphone with the Zorin Connect application. And we'll go and select the Zorin appearance and just customize this desktop a little bit and see what all things we have for customization. Now in under Zorin appearance application or Zorin tweak tool, as I'll say, uh, you can also configure this desktop using GNOME tweak tool, because this is the same as the GNOME but a different theme. So here you have the option of desktop. You can change the appearance, like you can go for thumbnails, which looks like okay. Okay, yeah, so here you can go and it will look like the normal GNOME shell. And I'll just go to the default one. And here we have the option for icons on desktop. You can select the home icon, trash icon, network services. And we have title bar placed on the right side, enable animations. Okay, under theme option, we have the option of selecting the accent color. So we can change the color. We can go for the red option also. and under the font section we can select different fonts, and under the panel section, auto hide, we can go for auto hide. We You have all the various tools which you will get with the gnome tweak tool to customize your Zorin appearance. Here we have the software center. I think it will be the same as, yeah, it's the same which you will see on the GNOME software center and also on the Ubuntu. So here you can find any software and install, and if you don't find any software, you can obviously go and install. You can add the repository through PPA and install that software also. You have all kind of basic softwares like Audacity, Skype, ZenKit. I think it also comes with the Snap support also. I'm not sure that it comes with the Snap support. Here you can see that it comes with the Synaptic Package Manager already integrated with the Software Center. So you can install any software, which any latest version of software from the Snap store. And I'll just close this and go and see the look the other options. Now here we have Zorin Connect. Okay, we have completed all the options. Now let's see what we have under utilities. We have Archive Manager, just the basic stuff which we get with the other OS. And on this, let's see the resources which we have under System Manager. So as you can see, I have assigned only 2 cores, so it is putting some extra load on each of the core. So in the I am running Firefox and terminal is going under update. So under in this condition with 2 cores, we have the average, you can say 50 or 40% of CPU is used, and 1.8 gigs of memory is used. So this will be similar with the GNOME shell, the amount of RAM and the resources which are used with it. And we'll go and check the LibreOffice and see the version of the LibreOffice and the amount of time it takes to load the software. Now the LibreOffice 6.3 version is installed. Here you can see, and it opened. Here we have the new theme of the LibreOffice, which is the tile theme, which you can see in Microsoft Office and in free office also. So in WPS Office also they have the tile theme, and personally I like this kind of theme because it is easier for me to navigate through other to different options. Let's just change the wallpaper we have after clicking. um, let's just see what options we have keep align, change desktop background, and let's see what all desktop backgrounds do we have pre-installed. So we have all sorts of different wallpapers. Some of them are looking very gorgeous. Them I'll go and select this one. Probably I'll select this, and yeah, it is looking very nice. So I have successfully restarted my Zorin OS after updating the system so that the updates can be applied. And let's just check the kernel version which we get with the updated Zorin OS as of 20th December. So just check the information. And the kernel version, here we have 5.0.0, which is the kernel version which we get with the ubuntu lts 18.04. And so this is enough for this video, and I hope you like this video. And please do mention in comment section how what do you feel regarding Zorin OS. Have you ever tried the Zorin OS? And if you have tried, mention your experience with it. And please do like this video also. Thank you. Bye bye.